Hello, welcome back. This is Steve of Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. What I have here is two snowmen. First one is from this year, from 2023. Whoops. And I also have one that I bought just recently, which is the original 2018 coin. I'm doing this snowman in two parts. I'm doing this one now, so at the beginning of November, so I can release it in November, as it's a brand new coin. And the other one, which is the coloured version, I'll be doing as part of my Christmas, my 31 days of through Christmas and New Year, which I did last year. I'm hoping to repeat again this year. This coin is a Cooper nickel coin. It shows a Snowman and James, and supposedly at the Northern Lights. On the back we have, of course, Charles III's portrait of the year 2023. This coin is a snowfall, and it's supposed to be the Northern Lights on the back of the coin here, and you have James and the Snowman cuddling / dancing. I think it's supposed to be dancing in a snowfall. I do actually have 3 copies of this coin. There's the second one and there's the third one. Now the second and third coins, the first one will go into my blue card collection, or the one that's the best out of all of these 3, no damage on it, will go into the blue card collection. The one with the most damage will be cut out of the card and be used as a, goes into a flip and into my date run. The third coin may well be, although don't hold me to this because I don't know whether I'm going to be doing it or not, but may go into something like a giveaway at some point. Whether it's a Christmas giveaway or not, I don't know. So as I say, this coin shows James and the Snowman. You also have some trees here on this right hand side, snowfall, and I believe it's been described as that at the Northern Lights. Now I do have the coloured version. As I say, I'm not showing it on this in this particular video, but I'll try and have a quick look to see if it is the Northern Lights. Yes, it does have the Northern Lights on it. So the Northern Lights are going around this area here, and they're a blue-greeny colour on the colour coin, and but I won't be showing that, as I say, until nearer on the Christmas run in December. Now that is the latest of the sets that we've had so far. Right, I'm just about to get it out. This is a snowman. It has on the back a portrait of Her Majesty the Queen. It's dated 2018, which is correct. And then on the reverse we have the snowman flying over Brighton, the Brighton seafront, and also over the promenade / what do they call it, the prom, Brighton prom. So it's an all out yesterday's moment. It's from 2018. I bought this one because I couldn't find my original snowman, and I was hoping to get a blue card version, but I don't have it. I'll have to try and find one probably then after Christmas to complete the set. But these are the cards that I've bought and are looking at this particular time. Whoops, wrong way up. We have 3 snowmen from 2023 and 1 from 2018, and this is this particular video. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please can you give me the thumbs up? It doesn't cost you anything. And also, if you haven't yet subscribed, I would be grateful if you did. I'm trying to aim for the 250 that I set myself the target of in early January of 2023, and so far of that extra target of 150, that will take me up to 250 subscribers. I've managed to get to 243. So I'm almost there, and if you believe I deserved it, if you do subscribe, I'll be thankful and grateful, and I hope that you will stick around for a very long time into the future as I continue my journey through coins, banknotes and collectibles, and also some militaria stuff that I do occasionally. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins for your collection, I hope you can get them for the price that you want to pay. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching to the end, and bye bye. Ta-da now.